Welcome to FoxLearn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a setup file with SQL Database using the Advanced Installer software. To play demo, you can create a simple window form application allows you to search data from the SQL database. Right-click on your project, then select Manage Nugget Packages. Next, install the Dapper ORM. As you know, Dapper ORM is an open-source library that makes it easy to access your database. Open your app config file, then add a connection string that allows you to access your SQL database. We will create an application that connects to the Northwind database to retrieve data from the customer table. If you don't already have a Northwind database, you can download it from the FoxLearn website. You can create a helper class to read the connection string from your app config file. You need to create a customer class to map the data returned from the customer table in the Northwind database. From Visual Studio Toolbox, drag a DataGridView, TextBox and a button to your window form, then add a data source to the DataGridView. Double-click on the search button, then add your code to handle search data from the customer table. To retrieve data from your SQL database, you can execute the SQL query, then map the data returned to the customer class. If you want to get a list of customers, you should convert the query method into a customer list. To create a setup with the SQL database, you need to detach your database, then copy your database into your project. You should modify your connection string, allowing you to dynamically attach your SQL database to the SQL Server. You should install the Advanced Installer software on your computer, then open Advanced Installer and select .NET Application. Enter your product name and company name, then select the source file that you want to create the installation file. You can also create a desktop shortcut by dragging the executable file into the desktop directory. If you encounter an error, you should detach your database, then run your application again. You can find your setup file in the Advanced Installer directory. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.